Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1966 Chevrolet Impala, true super sport car, guys. Great car. Rock solid body. This is, again, it is a true SS. This is the factory color combination. It's Marina blue with a black vinyl top, black vinyl interior, and just a quality car, guys. I actually haven't driven it, but both Jay and Ed have, and they say this car is just a baby doll. Runs and drives excellent. It's, you know, guys, got to apologize about the weather. It's supposed to be springtime, and you can see what we're dealing with here. Matter of fact, it's spitting snow again, and it's bitter cold. But we're just going to kind of grind these videos out. I got about 30 new cars to get advertised, and Mother Nature is just not cooperating. I guess we can't complain too much, though. I talked to customers on the East Coast this morning. I guess they're just getting bombarded with snow. And like I say, it's supposed to be spring. Great car. The gentleman we bought this car from said this car was in storage for over 20 years. It's had a recent body up restoration. Very nice. You can see the chrome. You can pick at some stuff. There's a couple little touch-up spots, but very nice. Got all the original T3 headlights on it. Again, you can kind of nitpick some of the chrome. Not a perfect car, but a very, very nice car. And none of them are perfect, guys. Again, we've been doing this for 40 years, man. I can tell you I have personally sold over 5,000 cars. You're going to find something wrong with every single one of them. Great car, though. Really nice car. High quality car. Again, original Super Sport. Does have the correct 283 engine in it, Powerglide trans, stock rear end. The only thing we did to this car is I took it down and had new dual exhaust put on it. Sorry about the snow, guys. Nothing we can do, man. They're telling it, the news keeps threatening that it's going to warm up, but every day they just keep pushing it further and further off. Saw a couple little, if I can see them somewhere in here, there's a couple little, I saw little dings on it. Couple little touch-up marks there. Man, I think the snow or the sun might be threatening to pop out here. That'd be nice. You can see just how pretty this car is. It's got BF Goodrich Silvertown bias ply white walls all the way around it with the correct GM SS caps on it. Nice and straight down the sides. Just a good car. Kind of turn the key, go have some fun, you know, and not spend $1 million kind of car if that's what you're looking for. Good solid body. I didn't see where they had replaced any panels on the car. Like I say, he said that the car's been in storage, or was in storage before he bought it, for 20 years. Again, it's got the correct 283 automatic, or 283 V8 engine in it, stock 4-barrel, stock intake, and the original Ram's horn exhaust manifolds, original Powerglide trans. It's power steering. You can see it's got all the GM hoses and clamps and original Harrison radiator in it. It's like stepping back into 1966. If you can see that, that's your original inspection mark up there on the firewall. And like I say, the boys just raved about how this thing drove. the A-pillar chrome a little bit, but that's pretty doggone nice. It's got the stock dual mirrors. It's all original. The door handles, the mirrors, all that stuff looks correct. I'd say this door rubber's correct. Car's only supposed to have 29,000 original miles on it. Now, if you know anything about miles, you can't guarantee them. The government doesn't guarantee anything over 10 years old. As you walk around this car, you can see it. Bucket seats, console. It's got the stock steering wheel still on it. I believe all this interior is original. It's got the original Fischer Body seat belts in it, which of course those were an option in '66. $24,329 is what's on the odometer there. AM radio still works. Got the factory bow tie tissue dispenser. Like I say, we just put brand new dual exhaust on. It's got the stock 10-bolt rear end in it. And I'm gonna say, guys, this is probably your original paint right there. It's still got the numbers on the quarters. Car's all spackle painted. I'd say that's your original spackle. It's got the factory jack with the spare in there. I know it's got the original owner's manuals in the glove box. They've added this. Now, what I'd say they did there, I'm assuming that the original dealership logo was on there, and they probably took that, you know, and they didn't like it, so they put the little Yanko tag on there. Because, of course, back in '66, they drilled holes in deck lids and put their logos on it. Good, solid car underneath. Again, we just put the duals on it, so those are brand new. Just a good car, man. Really good car. Make sure you're watching the website close, guys. Again, ton of new cars coming. I got a lot of cars that aren't even here yet. I know that kind of gets people crazy. They call Leroy and Jay and I and want to know what's coming. And I know several of those cars have gotten sold before people have gotten a chance to see them, and I apologize about that, but we're here to sell them, not advertise them, guys. Nice, nice car. I have Jay fired up. Again, this mirror was an option. I'd say, you know, that looks, yeah, I'd say it's probably original, guys. This is a nice, nice car. Fuel gauge work. There's your little cold light in the dash. That's factory, still works. Jay's got the original AM radio on in there. It works. We got a bulb on the end there that's acting up, I think. Probably just need to check it. It's lit up, but maybe it's just not connecting real good. This is just a good car, man. Radio works. Turn it up a little bit, Jay. Radio works. Blower motor works, guys. Just moved. We know those work. Remember what I told you about old cars? Yeah, we got one light out over here at the end. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page. Or as always, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. That is a good car, man. Have a great day, guys.